Peace lily spathiphyllum are popular houseplants known for their lush, dark green foliage and elegant white flowers. Here are some care tips for growing peace lily indoors. 1. Light. Peace lily prefer bright, indirect light but can tolerate lower light conditions. Avoid placing them in direct sunlight, as this can scorch their leaves. A north or east-facing window is ideal. If natural light is limited, you can supplement with artificial grow lights. 2. Temperature. Keep peace lily in a warm environment with temperatures between 65 to 80 F18 to 7 C during the day and no lower than 55 F13 C at night. Avoid placing them near drafts or heating vents, as sudden temperature changes can stress the plant. 3. Watering. Water peace lily when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Water thoroughly until water drains out of the bottom of the pot, then empty the saucer to prevent waterlogging. Peace lily are sensitive to overwatering, so allow the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. For humidity. Peace lily prefer high humidity but can tolerate average indoor humidity levels. To increase humidity, place the plant on a pebble tray filled with water or use a humidifier. Misting the leaves occasionally can also help maintain humidity. 5. Potting mix. Plant peace lily in a well-draining potting mix that retains moisture but does not become waterlogged. A mix formulated for tropical plants or a combination of peat moss, perlite, and pine bark works well. 6. Fertilizing. Feed peace lily with a balanced liquid fertilizer, diluted to half strength every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season spring and summer. Avoid over-fertilizing, as this can lead to salt buildup in the soil. 7. Pruning. Remove yellow or brown leaves as they appear to maintain the plant's appearance and health. Trim spent flowers at the base of the stem to encourage new blooms. 8. Repotting. Repot peace lily when they become root-bound, usually every 1 to 2 years. Choose a slightly larger pot with drainage holes and fresh potting mix. Gently loosen the roots and replant at the same depth as before. 8. Pests and diseases. Keep an eye out for common pests such as spider mites, aphids, and mealybugs. Treat infestations promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Peace lily are generally resistant to diseases but can develop root rot if overwatered. 9. Flowering. Peace lily produce their iconic white flowers in spring and summer under optimal conditions. To encourage blooming, provide bright, indirect light, and maintain consistent watering and humidity levels. With proper care, your peace lily can thrive indoors, adding beauty and elegance to your home, while also improving air quality by removing toxins from the air.